In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize combo charts in Looker Studio. Combo charts are a powerful way to visualize data, allowing you to compare multiple metrics within a single chart. Adjusting these charts to meet specific needs can provide clearer insights and more effective communication of your data. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can make the most out of your data presentations. To start, you'll want to add a combo chart to your Looker Studio report. Begin by clicking on the Add a Chart button located in the toolbar of your report. This button may look like a simple plus sign or the word Add, depending on your interface setup. Once you click this, you'll be presented with a list of different chart options. From there, select the combo chart option. This selection is crucial as it will give you the flexibility to compare different data metrics within one cohesive visual space. Now that your chart is added, it's time to configure your dimensions and metrics, which essentially set up the axes of your combo chart. Start by choosing a dimension for your horizontal axis. Common choices include options like date, category, or product, depending on what best suits your data needs. Next, focus on the metrics you wish to compare. For instance, you might be interested in metrics like revenue and units sold. Adding these allows you to easily juxtapose these data points and notice trends or discrepancies over time. With your dimensions and metrics in place, the next step involves personalizing the chart style for clearer data storytelling. Click on the Style tab, located in the Properties panel. Here, you have various options to tailor each metric displayed on your chart. You can select the type of chart, bar or line, for each metric, which can help in visually distinguishing between different data points. Decide whether to assign each metric to the left y-axis or the right y-axis based on the scale and the scope of the data. This allows for better readability, especially if your metrics differ significantly in range. When differentiating your metrics, using contrasting colors can be incredibly effective. Choose colors that not only enhance the visual appeal, but also make it easier to separate one metric from another when glancing at your chart. Enable data labels if you want the exact values to be displayed directly on the chart. This offers immediate clarity regarding your data's numbers. If you're interested in showcasing cumulative progress, checking the cumulative option can be beneficial. Similarly, enabling the Show Data Points feature can highlight specific points on a line chart, providing more precise data visibility. Lastly, the Step Line option can be enabled if you need a more angular, stair-step representation of data changes over time. With these adjustments, your combo chart in Looker Studio becomes a customized, powerful tool for conveying your data story effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy chart customizing!